Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the smeltery multi-block and getting molten metal quickly. Do not delay. Melt each ore source until the fluid reads stable temperatures, because alloy reactions only occur when both metals are liquid. Place a casting basin under the drain, attach a faucet, and make sure you have casts or patterns ready. Once done, verify quantities and write down the required ratios. Mixing cold or unequal volumes prevents alloy formation, so prepare exact molten inputs now. You now perform the core alloying. Pour the first metal into the basin, then add the second while observing the fluid. The smeltery merges them automatically when ratios and temperature are correct. Keep temperature steady with fuel and seared bricks, because too low a temp stops the chemical reaction and too high wastes metal. Make sure you add metals in the recommended order when required, since order can change reaction success, and monitor the gauge until the alloy fluid appears. You complete the process by pouring the alloy into the cast or basin and letting it cool fully. Do not extract early, because partial cooling ruins shape and properties. Once solid, remove the tool part or ingot, then recycle leftover metal by returning it to the smeltery or a seared tank for later use. If the alloy doesn't form, check temperature first, then confirm exact ratios and that no other fluids contaminated the basin. Correcting one of those usually fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.